माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे वंदे। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा हमारी जो गाइड सेक्शन की बहनें हैं वो इधर सामने आ जाए, क्योंकि इधर धूप आ रही है उनके ऊपर, वो इधर आ जाए सामने, ऐसे बैठ जाए प्लीज। एक लाइन में बैठ जाइए, एक लाइन में ऐसे। यस यस, वन लाइन, उधर ही बैठ जाइए ऐसे। हाँ बिल्कुल, इधर इस तरफ। यस 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 प्लीज। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रखेंगे क्योंकि ये कोविड की परिस्थिति है, कोरोना का टाइम है और इसमें हम सब लोगों को काफ़ी प्रोटेक्शन के साथ ये सारा प्रोग्राम करना है। आई एम ऑल्सो लिटिल वरीड बट बी प्रिपेयर। आवर मेन मोटिव इज बी प्रिपेयर। So we should prepare for all the situations and circumstances, all the things which we have to start properly. अभी मेरे को बात करने के लिए माइक को हटाना पड़ा, अपने मास्क को हटाना पड़ा, अदरवाइज हमें मास्क को प्रॉपर कहाँ तक रखना चाहिए? कवर टू द नोज। कहाँ तक रखना चाहिए? यस। क्यों रखना चाहिए? इसका एक रीजन है, जो एनवायरनमेंट में वायरस है वो हमारे इनहेल ना हो, ये मास्क में उसको प्रोटेक्शन मिले, राइट? ओके, थैंक यू अगेन फॉर माय Telangana and Andhra team. I heard the people from Andhra and Telangana both are participating in today's program. So this 7 days basic and advanced training camp in the leadership of our National Training Commissioner Shri Pawan Kumar Singh ji, my brother, my family, our State Secretary Uttarakhand, and as well as this camp Assistant Director along with Pawan ji, Shri Rakampal ji, our guide section training head and state representative Uttarakhand Meenu ji. I am really grateful to join this event, and in this special event we have a very special guest with us. His father is representing the world's biggest panchayat is parliament. He was the deputy speaker in parliament, Shri Mallikarjun Sahab, and Suresh ji now in between us, and we are very thankful and we are very grateful to Suresh ji, and future of Karnataka scouting in his hand, and we appreciate his positivity, his right way to look after the all scouting movement, and a very gratitude to Shri Sanjit Naidu ji, who is the in charge of South India in scouting, and a special congratulations to Andhra Pradesh Chairman Shri Giridhar Raju, the National State Commissioner Mr. Mutyam Raju, and a very special, dynamic and committed to work Mr. Sudhir Babu, our State Secretary, Andhra Pradesh. And not but the least, the real congratulation goes to the all my brothers and sisters who are participating in this training event, because everything what we are doing is for you people. If you see a picture, you see we are sitting in the chair in front of you on a stage, and you people are sitting there on a ground. Who is important? Do you understand? The weight machine, old time weight machine, taraju. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
If you put a weight in a one part of the weight machine, then next part will go up. So due to your weight, we are right. Don't think we are big. We are big due to you people. And a big responsibility on your shoulders. When you people are going and representing Hindustan Scout Guide in school, colleges, villages, towns and cities and home, you people representing us. What act, behavior you people are doing? The same the people say, our trainers train them the same. So never ever think that you are a volunteer. No, you yourself a Hindustan Scout Guide. You yourself a Hindustan Scout and Guide. So it is my heartiest congratulations and wishes to all of you to participate this camp virtually. I think so this is the smallest training camp in Andhra Pradesh from last 2 years. Am I right, sir? But the way you people conducted, sir and Rakampal ji, they are sharing it every day-to-day report, the participants, your enrollment, registration and everything. I am really happy with the effort made by the training team and as well as you people. Now, the most important thing what we required is discuss about today's closing ceremony. According to me, it's not closing, it's a beginning. When you train, after training, your new responsibility starts. Your new duties start. This is not ordinary certificate. It is a license to go into the schools, colleges and the future of India in your hand. What kind of positive training you people give them and what kind of positivity they people receive from yourself. Right? So again, I am not taking a long time because already you have done lots of training, you have done lots of exercises already. So my best wishes to all of you, and again especially I am requesting Mr. Suresh ji, he gives some blessings and few words to this new trained team people. Mr. Suresh.
जय भारत माता की जय आंध्र प्रदेश की and तेलंगाना की ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಆದರದ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಗಳು. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಿಂದಿಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ನನ್ನ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ಕರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ನ 7 ದಿನ ನೀವು ಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆದೇಶ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೂ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Scout Guide Club, go! Thank you very much, sir, for giving us a blessing. And when the things will come with their mother language, the mother tongue, that is the beauty of India. Not only in Malayalam, in Kannada, in Telugu, in Udiya, Bangla, Gujarati, Marathi, all languages. After acting, every 30 kilometers, the slang will change. I am little bit understand some languages, but when we change 30 kilometers, even Telugu also changing. People are little different. I am trying to understand the language used by the Vijayawada people. the same people is using in Andhra is different. Am I right? Yes. So it is a beauty. It is the beauty of our country that we are having such a lovely culture and custom. But our heart is same. Our heart is same. So I firmly believe that you are our real heart, you are our real face, and you people are representing in India. So I always say, Andhra, Telangana, now the Karnataka team also will work hard. Same Karnataka team, same Tamil Nadu team, same Maharashtra team, Goa team, Panji team is all these teams have a good healthy competition also. And we are planning on Jamboree after the vaccination. The day vaccination came, we announced the Jamboree. And the Jamboree will be the real test of your training. Your school kids will come and see and check your participation. So my best wishes again, all of you. Again, my best wishes for all of you. Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! धन्यवाद.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Vizuri sir and Suresh sir. Thank you for coming. ఈ సమయంలో మన మధ్యలో సార్ వాళ్ళు మనకు సర్టిఫికేట్ ఇష్యూ అనేది చేస్తున్నారు.
Anil Kumar. Sai Kumar D. Yogeswar Rao. Yogeswar Rao. पूरा फोटो कवर होना चाहिए. Listen, एक जगह से फोटो खींचिए, नहीं तो हम इधर उधर देखेगा तो शक्ल कहीं और जाएगी. वन साइड कैमरा लाइट क्लोज. Thank you. All right. Next. Thank you. ये बात कराना जल्दी आते जाइए लाइन में. First. Next line. Sheet 6 feet. Distance first. इधर खड़ा होने का सर. Go this way. Thank you. Vishwa Reddy.
जे राजू,
थैंक यू।
वाई शेष बाबू,
थोड़ा
केवई संपत कुमार स्वामी रेड्डी,
थोड़ा आप भी दूर दूर बैठो, थोड़ा 6 फीट दूर।
केवई संपत कुमार स्वामी रेड्डी,
इधर से ऐसे जा रहे हैं।
एम ललिता हरी, अत्ता प्रियंका,
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
यू दैव कृपा,
थैंक यू, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
ए श्रीलक्ष्मी,
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बेटा।
बी सतीश,
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
जी तविटैया,
गॉड ब्लेस यू, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। लुक एट यू। थैंक यू।
वाई मोहिनी,
ये फेसबुक से सबको फोटो मिलेंगे। अपना सब तो फोटो शेयर करने का वहाँ से।
ई राजप्पन ने,
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
के नागेश्वर राव, के नागेश्वर राव,
सर आते रहिए, टाइम नेक्स्ट बनाइए।
डी हरिनाथ,
उधर 6 फीट दूर पे खड़े हो
जी
जाइए।
श्रीनिवास राव,
उसका पीछे खड़े हो जाइए। थैंक यू।
एम रमेश,
क्लैप गो।
ए हरीश, एस राममोहन राव,
वो दूर से देखा।
लेट्स गो, ई राजप्पन ने,
बेटा आप इधर आ जाओ। उधर से यस हो गया। उधर खड़े हो करके आ जाओ। चलिए काउंट डाउन, क्लैप गो।
इस बंदे के लिए स्पेशल क्लेम को इसे पूरे टीम की तरफ से टेस्ट किया, बहुत सुंदर था।
अच्छा
इसे नहीं है
तो
आते ही काम पे लग गया।
1 clap everybody now. 1 clap. Let's see. 1 clap go. Congratulations. हमारा टेस्ट भी करना। थैंक यू। इसके अलावा
बस
सभी लोगों को खड़ा करें। आप रेडी करो, हमें बुला लें। हमें 10 मिनट मिलेंगे।
और क्या बोले निशा निशा निश को ना
చూసాను చూసాను